Hello, my name is Solomiia Kubinska, and today I will present the system I am developing. It's a sentiment analysis and user interest recognition with user mood recognition and further dialog flow support. Relevance. Currently, NLP systems are actively distributed and used as a replacement for live communication between people. This helps companies automate their systems, making the customer service process cheaper. On the other hand, customers receive round-the-clock support, which allows them to solve their problems faster. Also, a properly configured NLP system can be used in sales or targeting new customers. This solution will allow to communicate with humans and recognize their mood. In the future, this project can be used to collect analytics on user speech and train of other speech recognition systems. Goal. The aim of the work is to create a bot that will communicate in Ukrainian to conduct sentiment analysis and provide user with relevant answers to support or improve mood and motivation. Main goal: decomposition. Develop research literature to better understand the current state of the problem and existing solutions. Review analogies and define their disadvantages and advantages. Design business process models using the UML language. Review possible environments for system implementation. Choose the means of implementation and design the system. Implement the system. Object and subject of study. The object of the study is to determine the capabilities of NLP systems in using sentiment analysis in the user text to further support the conversation in Ukrainian. The subject of the research is to determine the quality of NLP products for the Ukrainian language. Scientific novelty. The creation and operation of such a system will determine the level of capabilities of language recognition tools when working with the Ukrainian language gaps and leave a basis for future research and development of this area for the Ukrainian market. Technological impact. The practical value of this work is based on the fact that it will allow developers to collect analytics on phrases and words that users use to express their emotion in the Ukrainian language. Technologies for development. Dialogflow, its owner is Google. It supports 32 languages including Ukrainian. There are two versions. It's Dialogflow ES, an old version, and Dialogflow CX, a new version based on the state machines. For this work, we will use Dialogflow ES, an old version. One agent supports few languages. There is an open API for Dialogflow, and it includes built-in flow editor, but only in Dialogflow CX version. That's why we need another solution that is called Node-RED. Node-RED's owner is IBM, and there is a brief description of Node-RED. It is a programming tool for wiring together hardware devices, APIs, and online services in new and interesting ways. It provides a browser-based editor that makes it easy to wire together flows, using the wide range of nodes in the palette that can be deployed to its runtime in a single click, and it's free. Thank you for your attention.